So if you guys want my crypto DeFi strategy going into 2023, you're going to want to watch every single moment of this video. I'm going to explain exactly why I'm not heavily investing into any DeFi project right at this moment. And I'm going to break down step by step exactly what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. So if you're looking forward to the content within this video, as always, guys, drop the video like, subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future updates and strategies that I'm implementing, new projects that are coming out, etc., etc. So here was my strategy last year and even the year before when we were in a bull market, but still roughly had moments where we had hit the bottoms of those bull markets. I'm going to repeat this upcoming bull market as well. So think of it like this. Instead of taking $500 here, $1,000 there, $10,000 there, $25,000 there, and spreading it across different DeFi projects, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a lump sum, invest it into Bitcoin and Ethereum when I feel like we've hit the bottom. I think that bottom is going to be at the end of January, the beginning of February. Once we hit that bottom, I will invest that lump sum again into those two blue chip coins. Then I'm going to leverage lending. Okay, and there's going to be a lot of platforms out there, a lot of DEXs, decentralized exchanges, that are going to allow lending. So I'm going to stake my Bitcoin, my Ethereum. I may even pick up some Matic and a few other blue chips that are promising. I'm going to borrow at least 50% LTV. Then I'm going to take those funds and invest them into DeFi. So instead of taking that lump sum and spreading it across DeFi right now, I can wait until we hit a bottom, what I feel is going to be a bottom. I can get into blue chip cryptos. I can benefit off the rise of those cryptos. So initial is going to be 50% LTV, but as those cryptos rise, I'll be able to obviously take more on loan, understanding relatively where the bottom is at. So we're conservatively investing here and simultaneously leveraging money while leveraging crypto while watching our portfolio and our initial investment grow as well. That is the game that we play. That is the game that I will play. That will give you more profitability. That will give you more overall leverage, and it will give you more buying power over time. So, guys, you decide exactly what it is that you want to do. But once we're in a position where the bottom is in, and I invest that lump sum, start borrowing, investing into these different DeFi projects, and then continuing to borrow as my portfolio rises, I'm going to be in an amazing position to really create millions of dollars over the next coming months and years, leveraging other people's money. That is the key to wealth, my friends. You choose the strategy that you think best fits you, but at this point in time, I might throw in $50, $100, $500, maybe like $1,500 or $2,000 at most. But really what I'm waiting for is that Bitcoin bottom, and the S&P has just made its turn. It looks like it's going to be going down 18 to 20%. When that happens, Bitcoin will also fall, and we will reach that bottom. My prediction is right around $9,000 to $10,000 per Bitcoin. Once that happens, man, we could be super aggressive here, and a lot of us have the potential to win. Now, do not construe this as financial advice. This is for pure educational and entertainment purposes only. If you spend your bag right now, you're not going to have any leverage, you guys. That's why it's important. I mean, you see these centralized exchanges that I was leveraging before, like Nexo, You know, you've got Celsius, you've got BlockFi, which offers lending, but this is centralized. And many of those went under. Of course, Nexo is still a decent centralized exchange, hasn't faced any major hardships, but you never know, not your keys, not your crypto. So the availability of lending in DEXs is going to change the game for everybody if we are just patient. If you're not patient, you're going to waste your bag right now, and you're going to be sitting there when there's opportunity, and you're not going to be able to have that leverage and take advantage of these lending protocols across DeFi. So, hope you guys got value, some insight from this video on exactly what I'm doing. If you have any questions, if this doesn't make sense, let me know in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel to get more strategies just like this. I will be showing you guys over time exactly what DEXs I'm going to be getting involved with for lending, my exact strategies step by step, where I'm going to be putting those funds, when I'm going to be jumping in to these blue chip coins, so on and so forth. And a lot of times it's difficult because when Bitcoin does hit $10,000 to $12,000, we will see a quick rebound from there. That happens every time, but we got to remain patient because a lot of these rebounds, these fake outs that are happening, people think it's the bottom. Based off of my analysis and listening to the right people, we have not hit a bottom yet, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. We will see you guys in the next one. Take care.